Today I'm talking to you about how to get crypto airdrops, and this is a straightforward guide how to get crypto airdrops for free. When we talk about getting crypto airdrops for free, we also mean how to get a crypto for free, and this crypto that you get for free can be converted to dollars and then to the local currency in the country where you live. Cryptocurrency airdrops are one of the easiest ways to earn free tokens in the crypto world. Airdrops involve distributing free tokens to users, usually as a promotional strategy by new blockchain projects to build awareness and expand their community. So, in this video, here is how you can get involved and start earning crypto airdrops. This is Dr. Olumide TV, and on this channel, I bring you information on how to make money online and also how to make money offline. Many businesses I've spoken about involved you spending money to get machines, to get this, to get that. But in this crypto airdrops, you don't need money. You don't need to pay for the airdrop. All you need to do is to pay. You have data on your phone, and then you have a good phone, and then you can mine, and then you can follow through and make money. So as I said earlier, here is how you can get involved and start earning crypto airdrops. Number one thing you need to do is to understand what airdrops are. And airdrops are free distributions of cryptocurrency tokens to certain users, usually for marketing purposes. These tokens are often given out before a project's initial coin offering or to reward loyalty community members. So number two thing you need to do is to join crypto communities. You cannot succeed in isolation. Many airdrops are announced in crypto communities, especially on platforms like Telegram, Twitter, and Discord. And you can also check Google and search. Joining these communities will keep you updated on the latest airdrops. Number three is you have to follow social media accounts. Blockchain projects often announce airdrops on their official social media pages. Follow the Twitter accounts of projects that interest you and turn on notifications to stay informed about upcoming airdrops. Number four thing you need to do is to register on airdrop websites. There are dedicated websites that list ongoing and upcoming airdrops. Sites like Airdrop Alert, Airdrop Pub, Airdrop Bob, and Coin Market Caps airdrop page are great places to start. Then number five thing you need to do is to complete tasks. Most airdrops require you to complete simple tasks like following social media accounts, sharing posts or joining Telegram groups, or playing games or doing something, or even tapping. Be sure to complete these tasks to qualify for the airdrop. Number six thing you need to do is you have to be cautious of scams. While airdrops can be lucrative, be wary of scams. Never send your private keys or pay to receive an airdrop. Legitimate airdrops will never ask for payment. Number seven is you have to use multiple wallets. To maximize your chances of receiving airdrops, use multiple cryptocurrency wallets. Some airdrops are only available to users who hold a certain token in their wallets. So diversifying can increase your opportunities. Then number eight thing you need to do is to stay updated. Airdrop opportunities can appear and disappear quickly. So staying updated is key. Regularly check airdrop websites and follow the relevant projects on social media. When I started taking airdrop seriously a few weeks ago, I visited a friend who is a forex trader and also a forex trainer and a signal provider. And I met some other forex traders in his office. And I was talking to them about airdrops. And one of the traders there told me about an individual who does not like losing money in forex. Because in forex, sometimes you make money, sometimes you lose money. So this individual, he dislikes losing money. So all he does instead of forex is airdrop business. So he has multiple airdrops he's doing. And this September, many of the airdrops are going to list. in October, another set are going to list. So I will leave a link to some of the airdrops that are going to list this September and some in October in the description section of this video. I want you to go ahead and join some of them. And if you have any question for me, you can ask me in the comment section below. I'm going to bring you another content about airdrop in the next video. I want you to like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and also come back again to learn more about airdrop. My name again is Olubenga82, and I'm your host on this channel. I will see you in the next one. This video popping up by the side is the next you need to see from my channel. Bye bye.